Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to cut and paste part of your commands in the bash terminal. Really simple stuff but extremely useful instead of having to constantly delete big chunks of it and then retype it out. So I'm going to just put, this isn't really going to be a command, but it doesn't matter because it'll help demonstrate what I'm trying to showcase. So if I say hello world, this is awesome. Okay, so if I want to maybe cut a word, so imagine if I want to cut this word, so this word here, and if I press Control W, what it does, it gets the word from before the cursor. So it doesn't include what's on the cursor. So if I just undo that with Control underscore, and you can see all of the stuff for those sort of commands, shortcuts in the fixing type of video. So if I want to do all of world, so go into the comma, press Control W, that's cut it now, and to paste it anywhere you want. So imagine if I want to paste it right here in between this and this, press Control Y and it's pasted. So there we go. So it actually maintains that space as well. So if I press Control Y, it will literally, so let me show that again. So if I'm on the M character, it will actually paste it between the character that I'm on and the character on the left. So if I press Control Y again, it still maintains those characters. Okay, so let's say if I want to cut, I'm gonna undo it so it's basically a word again. I mean a line again. I mean it makes sense. So imagine if I want to cut the entire line from where the cursor is. So if I want to cut this, if I press Control K, that has cut all of that, and maybe you want to put it at the start. Go here, Control Y, it is now at the start. Let me undo that now. And finally, maybe I want to cut the part of the line before the cursor. So maybe if I want to cut everything before the cursor, if I press Control U, cuts all of it before the cursor but not including what's on the cursor. And maybe I want to put it at the end. I'll go here, press Control Y, and that is it. So that's it for cutting and pasting. And as usual, remember, you can right click and do some copying and pasting here as well. But always having the shortcuts in your fingertips is fantastic. Once you get to grips with them, it will really aid your mastery of the Linux Bash terminal. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.